Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Tony's Top Tech, where we break down the biggest tech drops before anyone else even blinks. Quick question before we start. If you could take one Xbox game with you forever, which game are you packing into your handheld? Drop your answer in the comments, because not only do we read every single one, you might be featured in an upcoming video. Plus, our next subscriber contest is heating up. We're giving away some amazing tech prizes very soon, so stay tuned for how you can enter. Alright, let's get into why everyone's talking about this. Microsoft is officially doing something they've been teasing for over a decade, stepping directly into the handheld market. But they're doing it Xbox style, and with some serious backup. They've teamed up with Asus to launch two Xbox handhelds for Christmas 2025, the Rogue Xbox Ally and the more premium ROG Xbox Ally X. Both devices are designed to let us play true Xbox and full PC games anywhere, anytime. Not watered-down mobile versions, but real dusted-away titles. And thanks to Windows 11 integration, we're also getting full Game Pass access, Xbox Play Anywhere, plus PC storefronts like Steam, Epic, and EA Play, all right inside this little machine. This is not just another cloud gaming toy. This is serious portable hardware. Let's break it down countdown style, because you know that's how we do it here at Tony's Top Tech. 10, 2 models, 2 audiences. Microsoft and Asus are giving us two clear choices. The ROG Xbox Ally, standard, for budget-conscious gamers who still want portable Xbox gaming. The ROG Xbox Ally X, for hardcore gamers who want premium performance and battery life. Both share the same Xbox DNA but are tuned for different gamers. If you're someone who wants solid performance at a more affordable price, the Ally might be perfect. If you want no compromises, long battery sessions, better controls, and next-gen specs, the Ally X is where it's at. 9. Processor power. Z2A versus Z2 Extreme. Here's where things get serious. The ROG Xbox Ally comes with the AMD Ryzen Z2A chip. The ROG Xbox Ally X comes with the more advanced AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme AI chip. The Extreme version offers better graphics performance, AI acceleration, and more processing headroom for heavy gaming loads. You'll see this difference especially in newer 80A titles that demand every ounce of power. If you're planning to play titles like Starfield, Forza Motorsport, or Call of Duty on the go, the Ally X gives you a smoother, higher frame rate experience. 8. Massive memory upgrade. Memory is where these two models really separate. The Ally gives you 16GB LPDDR5X6400 RAM. The Ally X upgrades to 24GB LPDDR5X8000 RAM. That's not just bigger, that's faster too. The Ally X's 24 gigs means better multitasking, less stuttering, and much better future-proofing as games get more demanding. VRAM-hungry games will absolutely benefit from the Ally X's extra headroom. 7. Storage options for your game library. Both models use fast M.22280 SSDs, but capacity differs. The Ally starts at 512GB, the Ally X doubles that to 1TB, and both models allow for aftermarket SSD upgrades, so if you're the kind of gamer who wants everything installed all the time, you've got flexibility. But right out of the box, the Ally X gives you more breathing room for Game Pass, Steam, and giant installs like Halo Infinite or Flight Simulator. 6. Same screen, different experience. Both models share the same gorgeous display. 7-inch FHD IPS touchscreen, 1080p resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 500 nits brightness. That means buttery smooth frame rates for fast-paced titles and plenty of brightness even for outdoor or travel play. But here's the kicker. Because of its stronger internals, the Ally X is better positioned to take full advantage of that 120Hz refresh rate on newer games. 5. Battery life. This is huge. Let's be real. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of handheld gaming PCs. The ROG Xbox Ally gives you a decent 60 watt-hour battery. The ROG Xbox Ally X steps way up to 80 watt-hours. That's a 33% increase in capacity. Depending on your settings in game, you could be looking at 1 to 2 extra hours of gameplay on the Ally X. For road trips, flights, or long commutes, that extra battery is a game changer. 4. Control upgrades. You will feel controls aren't always sexy to talk about, but ask any gamer. Bad controls kill the experience. The Ally uses standard Hall effect triggers, which are solid, accurate, and prevent drift. The Ally X introduces impulse triggers, offering advanced haptic feedback for more immersive gameplay. And on top of that, joysticks. The Ally X uses upgraded high-durability joysticks rated for 5 million cycles. Back buttons, redesigned on the Ally X to reduce accidental presses while improving grip and ergonomics. You're going to feel this difference every minute you game. 3. Ports and connectivity. Connectivity is king, especially when you're docking or pairing accessories. The Ally offers dual USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports. The Ally X steps it up with 1x USB 4 Type-C, Thunderbolt 4 compatible. 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C. Thunderbolt 4 opens up massive expansion options, external GPUs, high-speed docks, ultra-fast storage, you name it. For serious gamers who want this to double as a home setup, the Ally X's extra bandwidth is a big win. 2. Design, color, and build quality. Both devices look fantastic, but they do cater to slightly different tastes. The ROG Xbox Ally comes in white with signature Xbox green accents. The ROG Xbox Ally X comes in stealth black with matching green trim. Both scream Xbox Handheld, but the Ally X just looks a bit more serious, perfect for those who want that premium vibe. Also, the Ally X has improved hand grip ergonomics for longer play sessions. The Ally weighs 670 grams, while the Ally X comes in slightly heavier at 715 grams, mainly due to its larger battery and added hardware. 1. Price and availability, the biggest question. As of right now, June 2025, Microsoft has not officially dropped final pricing. However, based on hardware comparisons and leaks, we're expecting the ROG Xbox Ally to come in lower, likely in the $599 to $699 range. The ROG Xbox Ally X will almost certainly push closer to $799 to $899, depending on market and region. Both models are targeting a holiday 2025 release window, launching first in select markets including the US. If you want one for Christmas, you're going to want to pre-order early because demand is expected to be extremely high. Bonus quick comparison table at a glance. Final take. Who should get which? The ROG Xbox Ally. Standard. Perfect for casual, budget-minded gamers who want solid portable Xbox and PC gaming without breaking the bank. The ROG Xbox Ally X. Ideal for serious gamers, streamers, or anyone who wants maximum battery, smoother performance, future-proof specs, and premium controls. And don't forget, our contest is coming soon. We've got a huge subscriber giveaway lined up where you could win tech gear to build out your own ultimate gaming setup. You've got to be subscribed to enter. So, smash that subscribe button right now. Hit like to help this video reach more gamers like you. And make sure you check out the links in the description for updates on pricing, pre-orders, and even more gaming tech we recommend. Which one would you choose? The Ally or the Ally X? And what's the first game you'd install? Drop your answers in the comments. We'll be highlighting some of you in our next video. That's all for this breakdown. But trust me, the next few months are going to be wild for gaming hardware drops. Stay locked in here at Tony's Top Tech, where we keep you ahead of the curve.